Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Lasher from Venom 3. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the symbiote Lasher, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down here. Next, we're going to bring this up and then kind of curve it. Then I'm going to bring this line up to a point and down here. Next, we're going to bring a little bump out. Then we're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring it back for the back of the head. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to make some sharp teeth on here. Then we're going to bring this down, and we'll kind of curve it in a little bit. Next, we're going to bring this down for the chin, and we're going to curve this up and in for the jaw. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line down for the back of the neck. And we're going to bring this line down and in for the neck. Right here, we're going to bring a line down for the chest. And we're going to bring another line that's going to come out and then curve in for the chest. We'll bring a little line up, and then we're going to bring a little line that's going to curve around here. Next, we're going to bring this line out and then down here. And then starting here for the leg, we're going to bring this line out, and then we're going to bring this down. Kind of angles in where the knee is going to be. For the foot, we're going to bring this line down to a point and back. And then another one's going to come down to a point, and we're going to bring this back here. We're going to bring this up, and then make a little curve for the ankle. And we're going to bring this up and kind of curve around where the calf is going to be. Then we're going to bring this line up here. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to make a little curve here and a curve here where the knee is going to be. Then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to curve, and then we're going to make a little point for a claw, and another little point for a claw here. Then we're going to bring this up and around. Next, I'm going to bring this up and then in. Then I'm going to bring this line around and kind of curve it in here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then back here. And then we're going to start on the arms. Let's begin by drawing a curved line for the shoulder. Then we're going to bring this line down and a little curve here. We're going to bring this line out and then down. And we're going to do a curve here, and we're going to bring this down here. Next, I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this out and then down here. I'm going to add a line that's going to come up and a big sharp claw. Then we're going to make one that's going to come down here. We're going to go up and then kind of angle it for one of the fingers. We'll leave a little bit of space, and we'll do the same thing. Kind of curve this down, bring it up like this. And then this other one, we're just going to curve it down. We're going to come up to a point and bring it up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line right here. I'm going to bring this up, and then we're going to curve this around to a sharp point and back. We're going to curve this around, bring it to a point, and then curve it here. And we're going to make a couple points and bring it back. Next, we're going to make a point that's going to come up and then out and down. Then we're going to make one more. It's going to come out here to a point and back. Now for some detail, let's kind of bring this line down. And then we're going to make a couple little curves where like the rib is going to be. Make a little line up, and then we're going to kind of curve one down here. Make a couple little lines kind of right around the knees. And then a couple little curves right on the legs, just to kind of show some muscles. We'll do a couple here too. Kind of make some curves where like the claws would be on the toes. Or make a couple little wrinkle shapes on the face and head, and then a couple little lines kind of right on the neck. A little curve line here by the mouth. Then we'll make a couple little like curve lines here and a line down. And we'll add a couple little lines on the arms here, just kind of define the muscles a little bit. Now we're going to make some of the crazy tentacles. So let's start by drawing a line that's just going to kind of wiggle around here. And we're going to come to here. Then I'm going to bring this out to a point, and I'm going to make a couple little hook shapes on it. Then we're going to curve this around and bring it to here. I like to add a little curve line here and there just to make it look like it's kind of like bending and moving. Next we'll do another one here, just kind of curve a line up and around here. We'll make it pointy with a couple little like barbs on there. And then we're just going to bring this back here. We'll do one here that's just going to kind of come up and then down. Put some points on here, and then we're just going to bring this back here. We'll do one that's just going to come right around the arm here. And we're going to come down. May come out to a point with some of those little barbs, and then we're going to bring it back around here. Then right here we're going to curve one around, and then curve one around here. We're going to go down and kind of bring it out. We're going to go down and just kind of bring it out here. Make a point on it and a couple of those little barb shapes. And there you go, there is your drawing of Lasher. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.